You should be a student. You should not be a student. Should you be a student? Should not you be a student? What subject should you be a student of? What subject should not you be a student of? Why should you be a student? Why should not be a student? When should you be a student? When should not you be a student? How should you be a student? How should not you be a student? Who should be a student? Who should not be a student? Who should be student? Who should not be student? Which subject should you be a student of? Which subject should not you be a student of? Whose student should you be? Whose student should not you be? How many numbers of students should you be? How many numbers of students should not you be? If you want to make other sentences, just change subject and add extension. The example of subject and modal auxiliary verb. He should be a doctor. They should not be a doctor. How many numbers of students should you be? The example of extension. We should be students of economics. How should she be a doctor of orthopedics? I should be a student of him.